Good day everyone, my name is Kevin Young, Technical Product Manager for AOC in Europe. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you our newest lineup of B2B office monitors, the P2 series. I have in front of me the 27 P2C, which has a USB-C connectivity. And with a USB-C connectivity, you can have one cable passing through video, charging your laptop, and give you data connection. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how the USB-C connectivity works. So you have your USB-C cable, you connect it to your laptop. The other side of the cable is connected directly to the USB-C port of your monitor. As you can see, it's a direct connection with everything plug and play. You have video, it's charging your laptop, and the keyboard is working also instantly. So this is the benefit with USB-C connectivity. With one cable solution, you'll get video charging, which is power delivery, and data connectivity. So you have your second laptop. You connect your signal cable. For me, that's my mini display port. Once this is connected, you press the left button, which is the source button, and you change it to the DisplayPort source. You press OK, and you can see that the keyboard and mouse has been moved from the first laptop to the second laptop. If you want to change it back, you press the source button, you go back to the USB-C source, you press OK, and the keyboard has been moved to the first laptop again. So this is the benefit of KVM. With one monitor, you can control two laptops or two PCs with one set of keyboard and mouse. The other benefit of our USB-C monitor is that if you have a situation where you have users with a USB-C laptop and a non-USB-C laptop, you can have two cables on the desk. One is the USB-C to USB-C cable. One is, for example, the HDMI cable for the non-USB-C users, and also the USB-C cable which are already on the desk, which is included with a USB-A dongle. Let me show you how it works. So if you have a user that comes on the desk with a non-USB-C laptop, you connect the HDMI cable to the laptop in order to get display. But HDMI will not pass through data, and unfortunately in this combination you cannot charge your laptop, and therefore you need to use your power adapter of the laptop to charge your laptop. And keyboard and mouse is working, as you can see. Once you have display via HDMI, how do you connect data? Well, take the USB-C cable. There is a dongle already on the cable. Connect the dongle onto the USB-C connector and plug the USB-A dongle in your laptop. You need to do one setting in this situation. At default, the USB selection is set to auto, which is supporting the KVM function to change from laptop 1 to laptop 2. In this situation, you need to fix the USB selection to USB-C, because we're going to use USB-C as the data cable for the non-USB-C laptop. In this situation, you can see that the USB-C to USB-A will act as a data cable for the non-USB-C laptop users. If you are a user that has USB-C, you disconnect the HDMI cable and the USB-C cable. You leave the desk and the USB-C users will come back. Then unplug the dongle and connect the USB-C back to the laptop. And then everything will work as before with USB-C, which is display data for your keyboard and mouse and charging your laptop. This is a demonstration of our new P2 series lineup with USB-C connectivity, which you can find in the 24 P2C and the 27 P2C, which also has KVM function. Thanks very much.